Here's how to achieve a high shine killer blowout.
On thicker, more unruly hair, start with a dime to quarter-sized amount of the ultimate hair cream. Work it through with your fingers. Suction the hair to evenly distribute the superior blowout mist. Make sure to comb through each section for full coverage. When blow drying, use high heat to activate the superior blowout mist. Apply tension with your round brush to really smooth out the frizz. For a really bouncy blowout, leave the round brushes in while the hair cools. Finish the look with a bit of strong cold spray to keep the shape of your blowout.
Audio Jungle.
That's all there is to it. Now you've got a super shiny blowout that will last for days.